If you need to reset your password on ServiceNow, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Navigate to the login page. Open your web browser and go to the ServiceNow login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Reset Password. Step 2. Enter your username. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your username, check your email inbox for a password reset link. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your main inbox. Step 4. Click the reset link. Once you find the email, click on the password reset link provided. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure it meets any specified criteria such as length and character types and confirm the new password before submitting. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your ServiceNow account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your IT support team for further assistance.